Well, hello. Good morning, everyone. Actually, it is good afternoon now. I'll just wait for a few people to join in. Am I live on the page? Yeah. फिर इसको शेयर कर दो मेरे पेज पे, मेरे मानसून के साथ. Okay. Well, how are you all? Hi Mayank, hi Mona, hi Vani, hi Rinki. Same here Vani. Hi Beena, hi Kavita. Hi Ritudi, how are you? You are looking gorgeous. Thank you Vani. Okay, so we have a big release this time. Huge release actually. And we have, I'm good Rinki, thank you so much. How are you? Okay, so we have a huge release. 30 people have already joined in. Should I wait for some more time? Which hair are you? Looking great. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. So this time it's a huge release. We have approximately, okay, you guess. Tell me how many dies we are releasing this time. I will pick up the winner right now, right here. Just guess the correct number. Right now only, during the live video, I will be picking up a winner if you guess the right number of dies. 15, no, it's not 15. 24, no Vinita, it's not 24. Nahi Bina with 15, no. Hi Deepika. 15 is already over, no, it is not 15. Guess another number. Hi Daksha. 20, no, it's not 20, it's not 21. Poonam. Not 12, not 15, not 25, not 15. 15 नहीं है. 30 बिल्कुल नहीं, 30 नहीं है. 13 नहीं है, 18 नहीं है, 15 फिर नहीं है, 10 नहीं है, 18 नहीं है, नेहा नहीं, 20 नहीं है, 16 भी नहीं है, 24 भी नहीं है, 27 भी नहीं है. हाय सुरभि. 16 नहीं है कनिका. 25 नहीं है सुरभि. विनीता 18 नहीं है. 16 नहीं है नेहा. 17. Okay, good. I got a winner. Poonam Gaurav Totla. Poonam, message me please on Messenger or Instagram or Facebook, whatever. Just message me. You are the winner for today. We are coming up with 17 dies today, guys. I got my winner. Poonam, I will send you a gift. We are coming up with 17 dies in total. Plus, I was telling you guys, those who had joined my course earlier, that I've got those envelopes made. So we are coming with 10 shades of envelopes. Ready to use envelopes. You don't have to die cut anymore. You don't need to invest in a bigger die cutting machine anymore. As many of you were upset with me, Mansi, what are you doing? You are bringing so big dies. We have to invest so much in the die cutting machines. So, not my problem anymore. You can always buy the ready-made envelopes. Okay. And third thing which we are introducing this time, we are coming up with some basic neutral shades of papers. Neutral shades, chocolate brown, rust brown, then we have a craft color paper, black color cardstock, then we have a fog grey color cardstock, and two of the Christmas colors which are red and green. Beautiful shades of cardstock we are introducing this time. I will just go one by one now. Everything, Neha, I did not see your message of 17 before. Please tag me on your message on the same time. If your message is there, Neha, on 17, I will send you a gift too. Okay? नेहा प्लीज सर्च और कमेंट. उसी कमेंट पे, उसी टाइम पे, जो भी अर्लीस्ट मुझे दिखेगा ना, मैं आपको गिफ्ट भेज दूंगी फिर. ठीक है? Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's start with the envelopes. Okay, so there are 4 shades in pearl metallic envelopes. Our favorite sea green color, which is a super hit color in pearl metallics. So this is the first shade in pearl metallic. The second one is baby blue color, baby blue pearl metallic color. These are the same good quality cardstocks. Hi Anita. These are the same good quality cardstocks which DCAM is selling, and now they are available in ready to use envelopes as well. And the best part about this is that these are same price as your cardstocks. You buy a pack of cardstocks for 200 rupees, 12 by 12 size. Okay. But when you are buying envelopes, you are getting 10 envelopes for 200 rupees. They are ready made, ready to use, die cut. कुछ भी नहीं उसमें कम हुआ. एक 12 by 12 में एक envelope ही बनता है और एक 3 इंच की पट्टी बचती है. So वो 3 इंच की पट्टी की जगह I am giving you a ready-made envelope, ready to use. So I think this is a very good deal for you guys. So grab yours as soon as possible. And these are 200 rupees. Only the iris paper envelope is a little expensive. It is 225 for a pack of 10, but this is pure iris paper. It is not a copy. It is, you can do all kinds of your inking, backgrounds and anything. It will retain water very well. It will allow you to work with all your techniques. So it is a really go-to envelope. This is for 225. Rest all the other envelopes are 200 rupees. Then we have pure beige shade. It is a brownish shade, pure beige. Then we have a red color envelope. I love this red color. This is a new release in the cardstock also, but it is a very beautiful color and very heavy sturdy cardstock. Then we have pink matte. Then we have pool matte and my favorite flesh matte. These two are my favorite shades. So in all there are 10 shades. I will just repeat again. This is flesh matte, pool matte, pink matte, red, bright red color. This is pure beige, white iris, embossed rose, peach shimmer pearl metallic, baby blue pearl metallic, and sea green pearl metallic. Hi Anjali. Okay, so these are the 10 shades of envelopes. So envelopes are done. Now let's move on to the cardstock. Acha, cardstocks, these were an odd size of cardstocks which I had got this time. So I was supposed to cut these to A4 size and then sell. But then I thought, what is the point of, getting a patti out of the whole thing and wasting the thing or destashing those pattis later on. So what I did is, I made odd size of papers. Rather than wasting the paper, I thought I will just give it to you as it is. So what I have done is, like this olive green paper, it is a beautiful color paper. And what I have done is, this paper is 11.5 by 11.75. So rather than, wasting the thoda sa wo jo bachta side ka patti, I have included it in the cardstock. Earlier I was supposed to, cut down and make it A4. But I thought, why not give it to you? And these cardstocks are very reasonably priced. These are only 150 rupees for 10 sheets. Are these ready fold? Anita, just one fold I have left. वो जो ऊपर का flap है ना, I give a full flap of the envelope. I'll just show you an envelope. I will show you later. Envelope मैंने उसी पे काम किया है, तो जब मैं अपने envelopes दिखाऊंगी, then I'll show you. Then this is a red color. This is 12 by 12 exactly, and it's very heavy quality, very good quality. You always know that I do not compromise on quality, so trust me on that. No, it is not ready to fold. It is assembled. It is pasted. Only the top flap is shown. I'll just show you if I can find an open envelope. सारा एक envelope खोल के दिखा देना मुझे इसमें से. वो वाला पैकेट रखा है ना, इसी में से खोल दो. Okay, and then this is fog matte color. Again, this is an odd size. It is 11.75 by 11.5. It is an odd size. So, and it is 150 rupees again. Look, this is how you will get an envelope. This is how you will get an envelope. You just have to fold it like this and your envelope is done. And you get a full flap. You get a full flap. So if you have to cut down here, if you have to make any border or something here, you always have the room because I give you full flap. Full flap here and the back is full. So you get an envelope like this. You will get it like this. You just have to fold it like this. It is already pasted inside. See, it is pasted inside. Do you get it in assorted colors? No, Sandra, I have not made it in assorted colors. I have made it color wise only because 10 envelopes is not a very big, and it is 200 rupees, not a big investment also. I did not went into the hassle of, making it a combo pack. Then we have black. This is again 12 by 12. This is 200 rupees only. Heavy paper, very good quality. And the best part about this black paper is, I don't know if the camera can pick it. Can you see a little very light check? Can you see that? I think the camera is picking it up. Very light. It has a self check on one side. The other side is totally plain. And it is heavy quality. Envelope size is my usual size 7 by 5 by quarter to 4. 7.5 by quarter to 4 is the envelope size. That is the size which normally I use. So that is the size of my envelope die. That is the size of all my coordinating dies with the envelope. So I always keep my envelope size as it is. I do not change it. Then the third is craft color cardstock. It is again an odd size. It is 11.5 by 11.5. I am telling you guys, if you think I am giving you an odd size, I was supposed to give you a A4 size, but I extended my, wastage and I gave it to you for free. I didn't want to destash it or I didn't want something like that. So I just extended my cardstock to 11, the maximum I could get. Okay. This is a chocolate brown color. It is a beautiful dark brown color. Dark chocolate color. Look at this. I'll just show you an open piece if I have it here. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful paper. And it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. Okay. Then we have rust color. I'll show you if I have an open piece. This is the rust color. Look at this. This is, I think, 225 or 200 GSM, somewhere around that. थोड़ा सा पतला है ये वाला paper, but still works very well. This is fog matte. Again, a pretty thick paper. I had shown you fog matte, na? Yeah. कार्डस्टॉक का जीएसएम सारा 200 से ऊपर है, 250 से 300 के बीच में वैरी करता है. जैसे ये रेड वाला है, ये आई एम श्योर ये 300 होगा, लेकिन मैंने 250 ही लिखा है बिकॉज सर्टेनिटी नहीं है कुछ क्या होता है, कैसे जीएसएम मेजर करते हैं. बिकॉज माई शॉपकीपर सेल्स देम एट 350 जीएसएम. आई डोंट फाइंड इट 350, तो मैं 250 लिखती हूँ. लेकिन थिक है मेरा कार्डस्टॉक. अगर आपने कभी यूज किया है तो यू मस्ट बी नोइंग इट इज अ वेरी थिक कार्डस्टॉक. आई यूज वेरी गुड क्वालिटी पेपर. देन दिस इज द ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर. See how beautiful this shade is. I love this shade. Both these Christmas colors are beautiful. Okay, then we have 3 of the specialty papers. One is rose gold. Rose gold again, guys. I have gone further by not wasting my paper and giving you a 10 by 10 sheet. Rather than giving you a 9 by 11 or something, I am giving you a 10 by 10 sheet. 8.5 by 11 होता है वैसे A4 का साइज. This is rose gold. If you can see, rose gold color है ये. Beautiful, beautiful color. Then there is holographic paper. Look at this. This is a rage these days. Thank you, Anita. Thank you for watching for me. This is one kind of holographic. This is the plain holographic paper. These are very reasonably priced. These are 10 sheets for 225 rupees. And it's a huge paper. It is 10 by 12. 10 by 12 size of paper. This one. Rose gold is 10 by 10. rose gold paper is 10 by 10. These two halographic papers are 10 by 12 size. The second is halographic. It is a dotted halographic. Look at this. Can you see them? Can you see this? Beautiful paper. It is a dotted halographic paper. Okay. So the total number of cardstocks which we have launched this time is 3 are speciality papers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 cardstocks also. 7 are the plain regular papers which we use for our different projects, and we have 3 speciality papers, holographic papers, and rose gold. Please give us 3 A32 for scrapbook. A3 को यार ship करना is very difficult. I don't want to get into that hassle, honestly. I'm sorry, I'm very blunt, but it is a real task to ship them, A3 papers. Okay, so let's move on to our dies. And who all are excited for the dies now? I want to see some hearts before I show you the dies, girls. Okay. So let me just adjust my camera to the table so that I can show you the dies. Just give me a moment. Let me adjust the camera once. Okay, Sarah. Okay, so 17 dies we have, and the first one, I have come up with a lot of word dies this time. Lots of words. So the first one is, let me just zoom in a little. Okay. Look at this word. It's anniversary. Can you see this? Now you will be able to. It is anniversary die with the cover. It is only anniversary, no happy, nothing. I thought that I will just give you a word anniversary, and we can always, cut the chota wala jo hum critters mein main happy deti hu ya wo deti hu. I will come up with the critter sheet happy ka, ya phir congratulations on your, like that. Okay. So which can match with this. It's a beautiful, beautiful word. Very pretty, and it is very, very reasonable. It is just priced for 250 rupees, I think. Look at this. Let me just, this is the shadow I have cut out with the, along with the word, like it was written, and look how pretty it looks. Yep. Okay. Is the image coming opposite? Sir, opposite आ रही है image? मिरर इमेज आ रही है मुझे लग रहा है, बहुत सीधे नहीं दिख रहे. Okay, so this is the first die. I'll just keep one of this here separately so that I can show it to you later. Let me just adjust the camera once, guys, because it is coming a mirror image. I don't know why. Let me just adjust the camera. I think now it will show a correct image. I have rotated the camera. Yeah, now it's showing straight, right? And now it is showing straight. So this is the anniversary word. Look at this. I was in the front camera and it was showing mirror image. See how pretty is this? And it's good size. The size is 2.7 inches wide and 0.7 inches tall. It's a very nice size. It will go very nicely with your envelopes and everything. Okay. So the first one is done. Let's move on to the second one. This is my favorite word die. Look at the die. Love you to the moon and back. Look at this. How pretty is this? I love this die. I adore this die so much. Look at this. Beautiful die. Yeah? Like it? And very reasonably priced, not expensive. As you all know, my dies are very reasonably priced. And yes, there will be a coupon also, of course. I have not activated the coupon so far, but yes, there will be a coupon. The coupon is October 2021, I guess. Yeah, October 2021, all caps, no space. And you will get a 10% discount on all orders above 2500 on DCAM brand. On all orders, listen to me very carefully. 10% discount, flat 10% discount on all orders above 2500 rupees on DCAM brand. Only DCAM brand is on sale. No other brand is on sale right now. Okay. So the next one is, look at this die. Ganpati Bappa Moria. This is the cover. I always give a cover. You guys know that by now, right? So this is how it will come. Mangal Murti Moria, not Ganpati Bappa Moria. It is Mangal Murti Moria. Beautiful Ganesh ji along with Mangal Murti Moria. I love this die. I really love this die. Okay, this is the third die. Hello, Sara. Fourth die. Okay, many of you were upset with me. Mansi, congrats khatam ho gaya, please manga do. So I was thinking why to repeat the word, why not create another die with the same word. Congrats so is never out of fashion, na? Look at this. New font, new word, beautiful die. And this is all done in gold cardstock, rose gold cardstock. Yeah. Okay. So 4 dies are done now. What is the size? Size is 3 inches by 1.4 inches. Guys, you can check the sizes on the website also. I have uploaded all the products and the pictures of the product states the sizes. Then another favorite of mine. Always and forever. It is an always and forever word. Look at this. How beautiful is this? See? It's beautiful, beautiful dies. You don't have to do much with this. मतलब आप सिर्फ एक सेंटीमेंट लगाते हो और आपका काम पूरा हो जाता है. एक वो लगाओ टॉपर और एक लगाओ सेंटीमेंट, हो गया एनवेलप खत्म. कुछ करना ही नहीं है, मेहनत तो सारी कर ली डाइज ने. कूपन वैलिड अप टू, इट इज वैलिड टिल आई थिंक 7th or 8th. आई विल जस्ट अपलोड द बैनर. उस पे सब लिखा हुआ है, मैं खुद भी भूल गई हूँ. मेरे को बैनर बनाए 2-3 दिन हो गए. सॉरी. आई विल अपडेट यू. अभी 5 मिनट बाद ना, वीडियो खत्म होने के 5-10 मिनट बाद, आई जस्ट अपडेट माई बैनर्स ऑन फेसबुक एंड आई विल पोस्ट द बैनर ऑन फेसबुक एंड एवरीवेयर, इंस्टाग्राम, एवरीवेयर. आई एम रियली सॉरी. And this is the last word die, Zara? Yeah, this is the last word die. And then again, it is a very beautiful word. This is the die. And the word is enjoy today. See how pretty is this? Let me just put it on a black background. So these are the 5 words which we have come up with this time. ले लो उसे. Okay. And the size of this particular die is 2.8 inches by 2.1 inch. Okay. Look at here also on a golden background. Yep. So I hope you are liking it. I'm not seeing any hearts or anything coming up now. So maybe they're just okay dies. I am hoping to move forward with these so that, you know, the next die can amaze you a little and I can receive more hearts. Thank you, Ruchi. Thank you so much for so many hearts. Thank you. Okay, so the next die is in the decorative accent series. Thank you Anita, means a lot hearing from you. In the decorative accent series, we have come up with the decorative accent 9. This is the 9th die in decorative accent series of DCAM, and this is a 2x2 die, and it is again such an intricate die. Look at this. This is the die. This is the circle which will cut inside the paper. If you just use this die and do not use the cover, it will not come out as a circle like this. It will stay inside the paper, like my other die which we had released last month, triangle one. It will stay inside the paper. If you use it like this, both combined, the cover and the inside die, then you will get die cut something like this. Otherwise you can just keep this thing inside the paper also. And look at this, how pretty is this? Such an intricate die. Look at the delicacy of the die. Very beautiful and very reasonably priced as well. You get a cover, you get a inside die. Look at this paper piecing done in this. Look at this. ये खराब हो गया पेपर पीसिंग का, बिकॉज इसका ना ग्लिटर निकल रहा था पेपर का. हैड टू थ्रो दिस अवे, बट इट्स कम आउट वेरी प्रिटी. आई थॉट आई विल शो यू एज अ सैम्पल ओनली. And I have done a lot of work on these dies, and I will be announcing a course later in this video only. So stay with me. I will show you the samples which I have created. So this is decorative accent 9. Now let's move on to decorative accent 10. Another decorative accent series of DCAM. Another die in decorative accent series. So this is decorative accent 10. Beautiful, beautiful die. I have no words. I am so proud of this die and I can't tell you. Look at this. is it stuck? Look at this. You get 4 dies in total. I'll show you what are you getting first. This is the cover die for this die. Okay. This comes out like this. This particular die comes out like this. Then you have a cover like this. You put it over this like so. And you have a cover and a die. Then we have a third die, which is this particular die. So what you can do is you can cut a window out of this using this die, and then you get something like this. Then you get something like this. Okay. And after that, if you don't want to cut a window, you can just cut. You can use this piece and pass it through the machine. And then you will get a jali, something like this in between. In between this. I don't have a sample of that. If you just use this particular portion now, then you will get this jali in this portion. You're getting me? So this cuts in between the paper. This particular die, it cuts in between the paper. By in between the paper, I mean, if you put this particular die now, it will not cut apart. It will stay, it will be connected in the paper. Like if I pass using this die, if I pass it through the die cutting machine ना, इसको पहले काट लिया और इसके बाद इसकी outline से इसको काट लिया, then I will get something like this. Means using these two dies together, the cover and the inside die, then you will get something like this. Okay. And so you get 4 dies out of this. This one, then the cover die. Okay. And then these two dies like this. Okay. So you get 4 dies. And look at this, what I have done. It's beautiful, very intricate, very, very beautiful die. Look at this. It is looking so pretty. I have just played with some colors. So this is the, I have lost number. I think 5 of the dies and then 7th die hoga ye. 7th die hoga, right? Thank you, Deepika. तो ये एक और डाई हुआ. चलो नेक्स्ट, उसका दूसरा भी देते. Okay, so now we have the wedding series of dies. I have made these dies. I'll show you together. घोड़ी बनना and डोली. These two dies are so pretty. I have made a घोड़ी and a बन्ना sitting on the घोड़ी. बन्ना is basically, हम लोगों में दूल्हे को कई लोग बन्ना कहते हैं, घोड़ी बन्ना. It is a very known word in the northern India part. Bride को बन्नो कहते हैं, groom को बन्ना कहते हैं. And then this is a डोली सजा के रखना die. It is a set of 2 dies again. I'll just show you the die cuts. I'll show you the dies. This is the die. My dies are already loved. This is the cover for the die. And I'll just show you. See how pretty is this. ब्यूटिफुल डाई, वेरी प्रिटी. बहुत सारे लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे शादी में घोड़ी आगे के एनवेलप्स देने होते हैं, मानसी प्लीज कुछ बना दो उसके लिए. तो आई केम अप विद दिस आइडिया, व्हाई नॉट मेक अ ग्रूम सिटिंग ऑन घोड़ी ओनली, टू रादर देन जस्ट गिविंग अ घोड़ी और अ घोड़ा व्हाटएवर. तो ग्रूम को भी साथ में दिखाओ ना इसमें. सो आई लाइक दिस. एंड देन आई हैव द डोली. and such a pretty die, such an intricate die rather. Let me just adjust it for a moment. Look at this. This is for the girls' wedding. If you're going, you can always gift a डोली का thing. मेहंदी में भी बहुत ज़्यादा चलता है डोली का डिज़ाइन, बारात का डिज़ाइन. तो I thought why not in our dies also. Oh, you will love to use them, Archana. Your ideas are so nice now. You will really do wonders with these. So these are my two favorite dies, and this also you get with cover. So you get a die and a cover die, like so. Okay, like this. दो dies आएंगी. Beautiful dies. So yeah, now I am. Now the screen is popping with hearts. I can see that. I have hit the target now. Bullseye, right? Okay. So this is the 8th and 9th die we are done with. Now let's move to the 10th die. This die is also very pretty, very, I really liked playing with this die. Look at this. Where is my envelope, Sarah, which I opened? Can you pass it to me? एक पीच कलर का envelope खोला था ना हमने. So this die, this can be used as a belly band. Look at this. कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ एक सेंटर में ये बेली बैंड लगा दो. इसको बेली बैंड से you can use acetate to use it. इस तरह से भी आप बेली बैंड इसका बना सकते हो. दोनों तरह से आपका परफेक्ट बैठेगा आपके एनवेलप पे. चाहे ऐसे लगाओ चाहे ऐसे लगाओ. आई हैव मेड अ साइज लाइक दिस. मेरे साइज के एनवेलप्स पे तो बिल्कुल सही बैठेगा. जो छोटे साइज के एनवेलप्स प्रेफर करते हैं, बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं मानसी चेंज द साइज ऑफ योर एनवेलप. लिसन, आई कांट चेंज द साइज ऑफ माई एनवेलप्स. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मेरी जितनी डाइज मैंने कोऑर्डिनेटिंग बनाई है ना, मैंने अपनी एनवेलप के साइज के अकॉर्डिंग बनाई है. मुझे पूरी रेंज चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. आप लोगों के ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर आ जाएगा कि आपको दो तरह की डाइज का ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. तो डोंट आस्क मी टू चेंज द साइज ऑफ द एनवेलप. इसको सीधा चलने दो. ये बहुत अच्छा साइज है. काम करने के लिए जगह भी मिल जाती है, लेकिन 4 इंच चौड़ा भी नहीं बनाया कि बहुत ही ज्यादा बड़ा हो गया है. So this is the die. I will show you the inspiration abhi. Just stay with me till the end. Okay. So, and you get a cover of course. बिना cover के मैं dies नहीं बनाती. You always get a cover. Okay. Thank you, Vani. Thank you, Anika. So, करो next die बेटा. Okay. This is another die. This also cuts in between the paper. By in between the paper, I mean this. You can cut it in between the paper like this. This is a set of 3 dies. You get 1, 2. Where is the third die gone? I don't know where the third die is gone. There was a small circle also in between this. If you can see it in here, there's a small circle here. It is a light scalloped circle. ऐसा काटेगा वो. So if you use the scallop circle, you will get something like this. If you do not use the scallop circle, you will get something like this. Okay, so this is a set of 3 dies, 1, 2 and 3. So if you remove this cover, hi Twinkle, if you remove this cover and you pass it through your machine on a paper, you will get something like this. If you do not use the center wala thing na, then this will be पूरा कवर्ड लाइक दिस, पूरा ऐसे ही आएगा। लेकिन अगर आप बीच का सेंटर वाला सर्कल यूज करते हो तो वो इस तरह से आएगा। इट इज अप टू यू हाउ यू यूज इट। इफ यू यूज इट अलोंग विद द कवर्ड आई, कवर के साथ अगर यूज करोगे तो यू विल गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस। ये पूरा बाहर आ जाएगा फिर। ओके, it's a very beautiful dye. You can make posters out of it. You can do so much out of it. This is such a versatile dye, especially in the coming festive season. दिवाली के ऊपर दिए का बेस बना दो इससे, it will look so pretty. कुछ भी नहीं करना है, सिर्फ एक दिया ऊपर रखना है इसके। Let me see if I have a diya handy with me. I'll just show it to you right here. Look at this. बहुत प्रिटी लगेगा। फोम में काट लो इसे, इट विल फ्लोट। इट विल बी अ फ्लोटिंग कैंडल ऑल्सो। फोम में, थोड़ा मोटा वाला फोम में काटोगे, इट विल फ्लोट। ओके, सो दिस इज माई 9th डाई फॉर टुडे। 11 कितनी बची? 10th डाई होगी। 10th अच्छा वो दो, हाँ ठीक है। ओके, सो नाउ बॉर्डर्स। इस बार ज्यादा बॉर्डर्स नहीं है, डोंट वरी। सब मेरे पीछे पड़े हुए, मानसी कितने बॉर्डर्स, कितने खरीदे हैं। प्लीज चुप बस करो, क्योंकि रुका भी नहीं जाता और खरीदना पड़ता है। तो सिर्फ 2 बॉर्डर्स है, वो भी बहुत डिफरेंट है। लुक एट दिस, दिस इज अ टैसल लेस बॉर्डर। इट इज सच अ ब्यूटिफुल बॉर्डर, आई लव इट टू कोर। इतना ज्यादा वर्सेटाइल है, ये देखो इसकी इंट्रिकेसी, बहुत प्रिटी है। चाहे ब्लैक पे गोल्ड से लगाओ, चाहे गोल्ड पे ब्लैक से लगाओ, इट्स वेरी प्रिटी। ओके, so this is the border, very reasonably priced again. 2 borders. It is 8.4 inches by 0.9 inches, approximately 1 inch only. Okay, एक बार और देख। Very pretty, very intricate. So let's move this and let's move to another one. दूसरा border. Thank you. This is the stained glass border. This is again, this time it is my favorite. ये मतलब पुराने बॉर्डर्स को पीछे छोड़ दिया इसने बहुत ज्यादा। ये बहुत सुंदर बॉर्डर है। अब कहोगे क्या सुंदर है मानसी, इसमें तो कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल हमें दिखा नहीं। मैं दिखाती हूँ अभी। ये स्टेन ग्लास बॉर्डर है, इसकी एक वजह है। इस बॉर्डर में बहुत सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं। देखने में तो ये सिंपल लग रहा है ना, कुछ ऐसा वो नहीं लग रहा। ये देखो, स्टेन ग्लास है ना, बहुत सुंदर बॉर्डर है ये। बहुत कुछ हो सकता है इस बॉर्डर से। ज्वाइन माय कोर्स, यू विल गेट टू नो। बहुत कुछ हो सकता है इस बॉर्डर से। आइडियाज बहुत हैं इसके लिए। एज इट इज भी बहुत सुंदर है। Hope you're liking them. Okay, so next. Okay, this is the this was the 13th die. I think we are left with 2. एक बार देखो ना, तुम्हारे पास बची कितनी है? 2 बची है, तो ये 15th die है फिर। So this is a die. This is a frame with kalash. This is a beautiful frame. Again, this frame fits perfectly on my envelope. मेरे envelope पे बिल्कुल perfect बैठेगा ये। Slim line है, ये देखो, perfectly बैठेगा। The size is 7.4 by 3.75. तो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट बैठेगा, कोई इसमें कहीं से भी ऊपर बाहर वगैरह कहीं नहीं आएगा। इट्स वेरी प्रिटी, बहुत सुंदर है। इससे बहुत सारा कुछ, मतलब सिर्फ फ्रेम की तरह नहीं यूज हो सकता, कॉर्नर्स की तरह भी यूज हो सकता है। इफ यू कैन सी 4 कॉर्नर्स हैं इसमें। ये स्ट्राइप्स बहुत अच्छे से यूज हो सकती हैं, कहीं पे भी आपको वो देना है, बॉर्डर देना है पतला, इतना पतला काटना इजी नहीं होता है। दिस कैन बी यूज सेपरेटली। तो पॉसिबिलिटीज तो एंडलेस है। यू जस्ट नीड एन इमेजिनेशन। And along with this particular thing, I have given a kalash. It's a good size of kalash. It is 2.4 inches, 3.7. I think I have marked the measurement wrong. The kalash is 2.4 inches by 1.9 inch, and instead of 1.9 I have mentioned 8.9 on the die. It is 1.9 inches, approximately 2 inches. Please give class with kit. I am sorry, I will not give you die cuts, guys. I do not promote selling of die cuts at all. Buy your dies, invest in your dies. आप लोग die cuts इतने महंगे खरीदते हो, 2,000 के die cut खरीदते हो, 2 die खरीद लो, सिर्फ मत खरीदो सारी। लेकिन आपके पास तो रहेगी कम से कम वो। और मेरी तो बहुत सारी डाइज आ जाएंगी 2,000 रुपए में। मेरे तो सारे मतलब बर्ड्स वगैरह जो हैं वो तो 200-300 रुपए के हैं। मेरे जो बॉर्डर्स होते हैं वो 650 रुपए के होते हैं। 2,000 वाली डाई तो शायद आज तक मैंने एक ही निकाली है, जो पिछली बार निकाली थी। बाकी कोई डाई मेरी 2,000 की नहीं है, सारी डाइज मेरी सस्ती होती हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द third last die. I'll show you the dies again later, only the dies, not the die cuts along with, because वो उसके लिए फिर दोबारा रिपीट पे वीडियो देख लेना। सारा ये लो, नेक्स्ट die please. Okay, my favorite die. Every die is your favorite die. What are you doing? All my babies are my favorite. I can't say na you are my favorite. That's offensive to me. No. Okay, I designed these dies. I'm sorry, I was talking to my daughter. She was saying literally every die is your favorite die. How do I do? All my babies are, my favorites. I can't just, drop one. So, this is the die. This is a nesting die, guys. You get 6 dies in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll just show it to you. You get 1. Then the inside rounded rectangle for this die. Then you get a second die, this one. Then you get an inside rounded rectangle for this die. And then you get the smallest size, this one. And then you get a rounded, it is not a rounded rectangle actually. This looks like a, what do you call that? Slider die to me. But it is very good for writing sentiments, cutting out sentiments. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies in total. And this is the outcome. This is the largest size if you cut it without the inside triangle. If you cut it without the inside triangle, you will get a complete piece. If you cut it with the inside rectangle, then you will get something like this. Okay. Then this is the second size. It is cut with the inside, without the inside rectangle. If you cut it with the inside rectangle, you will get something like this. Okay. And then the third size is smallest size. Look at this. And the inside of this die is a strip of paper, which I don't find it right now. I don't have it right now. It is a patla sa strip. ये वाला जो बीच का पार्ट है ना, उतना ही आएगा. So you will get something like this. So very beautiful die, very versatile die. बहुत कुछ हो सकता है इससे. ये देखो मेरे कटे पिटे पीसेस पड़े हुए हैं. काफी कुछ किया है मैंने इस डाई से. And again, this will fit perfectly on my size of envelope. मेरी एनवेलप डाई पे बिल्कुल परफेक्ट बैठेगा ये. ओके, इट विल फिट परफेक्टली. So, Sarah, just hold this. And last die. It is not the least for sure. It is the best though. The best I had saved for the last. इसकी die दो मुझे. इसकी die नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, I got it. This is the die. Thank you. Okay, this is an all-in-one die. This die, it comes with 6 dies. 8 dies in this pack. You get one border and one is the cover, one is the border. Then there is one cover and one square. And inside there is a label and there is a sentiment label also. Then there is another smaller border and a smaller cover. Now I'll show you how it works. These dies, they cut in between the paper. By in between the paper, I mean something like this. If you cut only with the taller die ना, if you only use the inside die, अगर आप इसका कवर नहीं यूज कर रहे हो, इसको बाहर निकाल दिया मैंने, इसको सेपरेट कर. तो अगर आप कवर नहीं यूज कर रहे हो इसका, तो आप सिर्फ पेपर के अंदर ये इंप्रेशन काटोगे. दिस विल नॉट कम आउट. इफ यू यूज इट टुगेदर लाइक दिस, देन यू विल गेट अ बॉर्डर समथिंग लाइक दिस. लंबा वाला बॉर्डर आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव राइट नाउ, तो नहीं, आई हैव इट. यू विल गेट समथिंग लाइक दिस देयर. But if you do not use the cover, it will stay inside the paper. You getting me now? Same is with the smaller die. अच्छा, I'll show you the sizing also, what I have done. जो साइज है, ये बॉर्डर इस तरह से पूरा फिट बैठता है मेरे एनवेलप पे लंबाई में. The taller one. The shorter one sits perfectly like this. So the ideas which you can use to create your envelopes is amazing. इस die से आप इतना कुछ कर सकते हो. बहुत ज्यादा pretty है ये. So when you are using it छोटा वाला, it will fit perfectly like this. When you are using the लंबा वाला border, it will sit perfectly like this. It will sit perfectly like this on my particular dies, on envelopes. Okay, and then you have a square. Square also does not come out. Square also does not come out. Look at this. Even the sentiment does not come out. If you want to cut out the sentiment, you have to use the cover die of the sentiment like this. अगर आप बाहर का cover die इसका यूज करोगे तो ये बाहर निकलेगा, नहीं तो ये उसी मेरे पेपर के अंदर ही रहेगा. Look at this. How pretty is this? The square will sit inside. अगर आप इस तरह से लगाते हो तो भी, इस तरह से लगाते हो तो भी. Look at this. How pretty is it looking? क्या किया मैंने? कुछ भी नहीं किया अभी तक. सिर्फ 3 die कट करे हैं. So this die is the most versatile die I have ever created. I am telling you this. या तो वो पहले वाली थी triangles वाली. I'm forgetting the name of that die. And this one is very very pretty. इसमें बहुत ज्यादा. साथ में एक हेल्पर भेज दो डाई कट करने. मुझे भी चाहिए प्लीज, मेरे पास भी भेज दो. मैं पागल हो गई हूँ, डाई कट कर करके कमर की बैंड बज गई है. Okay, so this is how it is done. इसमें I'll show you one more sample I have made. ये देखो. अब इसको क्या करना है, सीधा सीधा एक रोल दे दो और आपका टी लाइट होल्डर तो वैसे ही तैयार है. ये लो. सी, वेरी प्रिटी डाई. So this is my last die for today. So in all I have shown you 17 dies guys. I'll just repeat the dies once again. I'll show you the dies now. I'll just remove the die cuts. ये देखो ये सिर्फ अंदर का है, ये सिर्फ बीच में काटेगा उसके. एंड इसका जो कवर है, इफ यू सी इट विद द कवर, अगर कवर के साथ करते हो देन इट विल कट. सर ये इंस्टॉलेशन वाला है. So it will show you like this. Okay. So this is all done. Let's remove this. And now let's come back to the dies. I'll show you again. This is the all-in-one die. This is the Callister Slimline Flame with Auspicious Kalash. Guys, this ये measurement गलत है. This is 1.9 inches instead of 8.9 inches. I have done it wrong. I have to correct it. Then this is 3.4 inches by 2.9 inches. This is Ghodi Banna die. This is Decorative Accent 10. Okay. 4.3 inches by 3.1 inches. This is the Doli Saja Ke Rakhna die, 5.2 inches by 3.2 inches. All these dies are live on DCAM. Now you can see them. This is the geometrical halo frame die which I showed you earlier. Okay. Then this is 3.8 inches by 3.8 inches. This is the leafy belly band topper die. It will go both ways, this way also and this way also. Both ways it will go on your envelope. Then this is the anniversary die, the first die I showed you today. Always and forever. And then this is Enjoy Today with cover. This is Decorative Accent 9. This is the Mangal Murti Moria. Love You to the Moon and Back. I Love You to the Moon and Back. And this is Congrats. Then we have two more border dies which are not here right now. Just let me get it. Border dies. Border dies. दूसरी वाली. And last but not the least, we have two of the border dies, which is the Elegant Tassel with cover and the Stained Glass Border with cover die. So these are all 17 dies. I'll just count it in front of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 है. एक डाई कौन सी रह गई? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. गाइस एक डाई रह गई है इसमें. अच्छा डॉयली लेस फ्रेम नहीं है ना इसमें. हाँ 17 die is this one. So in all it is a set of 17 dies. Okay guys. So let's all move to the projects. Who all want to see the projects now? So let me just adjust my camera again. Just give me a moment. Okay. So the dies are done. Now let's move on to the projects. I hope you all are excited. The way I am, I have worked hard on these. Okay. So let's start with the envelopes first. See, I was searching for this die, na? It is right here. I'll just keep it aside and later I'll fix it. So first of all, I am taking a course on these projects. The course will cost you 2000 rupees. Those who take the entire dies combo, October 2021 die combo, I will give you a 500 rupees discount, and then you can enroll for the course for 1500 rupees. The course will have at least 20 projects. There may be more. Of course, there will be more, but not less than 20. So let's move and let me show you the projects one by one. Look at this envelope. How pretty is that? I have left the envelopes, I have made the bases, I have left it plain, and I will show you in the course, during the course, I will show you many options, what you can do to, fill in the space in the center if you want to fill in. For me, it is a complete envelope. If you want, you can just place this also in between. It will look very pretty. I will show you lots and lots of variations in this course. Okay, so first envelope, second envelope, okay, third envelope, fourth envelope, my favorite, fifth envelope, sixth envelope, seventh, eighth, ninth. Again, I will give you options to cover this if you want to. 10th, this is again, I have left it like this. I want to cover it, but I will show it to you during the class, not right now. Okay, and then again, look at this. This is a tea light holder. This is a tea light holder. Along with tea light holder, there is a card. Diya holder with a card. You can make an envelope or a card, depends on you. You can put a pocket in between, it will become an envelope with the diya holder. Okay. Look at this. How pretty is that? This is a lantern for your Diwali decoration. I will be doing a lot of Diwali stuff this time. I will be showing you lots and lots of ways to decorate your Diwali things. बहुत सारा मैंने इसके लिए प्लानिंग करी हुई है. I'll show you something more. See how pretty is that? Okay. मैम इतने आइडियाज लाते कहाँ से हो? अरे बड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है यार, बहुत सारा. It is a tough task. Okay, this is one of my favorite projects which I have done this time. Look at this box. It is such a pretty box and it opens up like this. And you can put your sweets or candies or cash, whatever you want to gift to anyone. And it goes like, even it is very good for jewelry gifting. Very pretty. Okay. Then this one is also my favorite. Look at this, the shape. It's a very pretty shape and it is a magnetic closure and it is like this. It is like a purse. इसको सीरियसली थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर लोगे ना, ये पर्स की तरह आराम से कैरी कर सकते हो शादी वादी में. इसमें 2 वो लगा के, मैंने भी बनाया हुआ है, दिखाती हूँ. इसमें आराम से एक चेन लगा लो, यू कैन कैरी इट. लुक एट दिस. किट मैं नहीं दूंगी, मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ. यू लाइक इट और नॉट, I will not provide you with the kits. Look at this. How do you like this? This is a proper purse, guys. पेपर से बना हुआ. This ये वाला मैग्नेटिक नहीं है, मैं करना चाहती करके दिखा देती, लेकिन जो हम बनाएंगे क्लास में वो मैग्नेटिक होगा. That will be magnetic. See how pretty is this? And look at the sides. All this for only 2000 rupees. And if you take the entire combo, October release combo of dies, only the dies I am talking about, dies का पूरा combo अगर आप लेते हो, so the course fee for you will be 1500 rupees. अच्छा चलो एक चीज और करते हैं. जो लोग डाइज नहीं लेते हैं लेकिन आज के आज बुकिंग कराते हैं कोर्स की, 10 जनों को, 10 पीपल, आई विल गिव यू अ 10% डिस्काउंट ऑन द कोर्स. 1800 रुपए का कोर्स. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग द एंटायर डाई का किट, if you are enrolling for the course today itself and paying today itself, then the course for you is for 1800 rupees. First 10 enrollments only. Thank you. So these are the projects. I don't know how many I have shown you, but we will be doing more than 20. 20 तो हो गए हैं ये. And this is also छोटा वाला, इसमें मैंने बनाया है for giving away silver coins or gold coin or anything. तो कुछ छोटू सा. ये इसका हम और छोटे वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स हम और 2 करेंगे इसमें. And last but not the least, look at this. Again a Diwali decor. If you can see the tray, I have created a tray and I have kept a diva on that. I have not pasted the diya so far. Look at this. Very pretty. दिवाली पे भेज देना. हाँ, मेरे को डाइकेटिंग के लिए हेल्प कौन कर रहा है, फिर मैं भेज दूंगी. चलो पक्का. Okay, so I hope you like the projects. Now let me come back to the course. The course is for 2000 rupees. No kit will be provided. I will try to commence the course as soon as possible because I know the festive season has started already. I think 7 तारीख से नवरात्रे शुरू हो जाएंगे एंड मैं नवरात्रों में खत्म कराने की कोशिश करूंगी ये कोर्स. क्या बोला? कैन द बॉर्डर डाइज यूज फॉर बिग शॉट टील? यस ऑफ कोर्स, ऑल द डाइज आर कंपैटिबल विद द स्मॉलर बिग शॉट. नो डाई इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज दैट बिग कि वो छोटी बिग शॉट में यूज ना हो. बच्चों वाली मशीन की मुझसे बात मत करना, वो इतनी सी मशीन जो आती है उसकी मुझसे बात करना. जो वो बिग किक आती है, कौन सी आती है आई डोंट नो, वो मशीन पे कुछ नहीं होता. लेकिन बिग शॉट नॉर्मल साइज की मशीन है या फिर आपके पास ड्रीम कट है, सब पे कटेगा, सब कुछ होगा उस पे. ओके, सो व्हाट्सएप मी as soon as possible. My WhatsApp number is 9560797953. 9560797953. If you want to join the course, WhatsApp me. First 10 people will get a 10% discount. Okay, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, today's live. Last time जाने से पहले I'll show you the dies once again. Okay, Ma'am, do we need other dyes apart from? No, I have not used any other dye apart from this. Dye number 1, dye number 2, dye number 3. I will mention my phone number later. 4. मैं अभी पोस्ट डालूंगी. Congrats. मंगल मूर्ति मौर्य. I love you to the moon and back. Enjoy today. हाँ, अभी मिरर इफेक्ट अच्छा आ रहा है क्योंकि डाइज पूरी सीधी दिख रही हैं. डेकोरेटिव एक्सेंट 9. Always and forever. Anniversary. Geometric halo. डोली सजा के रखना. डेकोरेटिव एक्सेंट 10. घोड़ी बनना. Frame and Kalash, Calista frame and Kalash, and last but not the least, my most favorite dye. It is all-in-one dye. Please साथ में हेल्पर भेज दो डाई कट करने के लिए. अर्चना मुझे भी चाहिए यार हेल्पर, प्लीज सीरियसली. ओनली स्मॉल सजेशन यार, ऐड मैग्नेटिक शीट्स और डाइज. दक्षा मैं मैग्नेटिक शीट्स ऐड कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन पता है क्या, जब से ये लॉकडाउन का चक्कर हुआ है ना, वो मैग्नेटिक शीट लेने जाने वाला कोई नहीं है. So I'm okay. So this is all comments for today. I hope and trust me guys, ये वाला जो कोर्स होगा ना, इसमें बहुत सारे एडिशंस होंगे. हमेशा मैं कहती हूँ कि मैं एक क्लास एक्स्ट्रा लूंगी आपके लिए, एक फन सेशन लूंगी. इस बार शायद 3-4 फन सेशन होंगे ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज बहुत सारे आइडियाज आ रहे हैं छोटी छोटी चीजों के, तो जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी, आई विल शेयर इट विद यू. सो इट विल बी, एंड बहुत सारे टॉपर्स के आइडियाज होंगे जो मतलब मैंने एनवेलप, जैसे मैंने प्लेन छोड़े अभी, आई हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड, बेस बना दिया, लेकिन अगर मेरे हिसाब से मैं कहूं तो मेरे हिसाब से ये पूरा है, लेकिन बहुत कुछ कर सकती हूं मैं इस पे अभी. तो वो सारी चीजें मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी, क्या क्या हो सकता है. क्रिटर से भी काम हो सकता है, फ्लावर से भी काम हो सकता है. सो दैट विल ऑल कम इन द कोर्स नाउ. Is it 51% off? I am confused. No, who's saying 51% off? See, there dice का इस टाइम पे I have created a coupon on the website. The coupon is for 10% off if you buy Decam products worth 2500 rupees or above. It is only on Decam brand. No other brand is on sale. तो डाइकट्स एंड मोर का ब्रांड का एक कैटेगरी बना हुआ है प्रॉपर, उसमें से आप कुछ भी खरीदोगे 2500 रुपए का होगा, आपका 250 रुपए सीधा सीधा कम हो जाएगा. मतलब मिनिमम डिस्काउंट इज 10%, मिनिमम परचेज इज 2500 रुपीज, देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10%. देयर इज अ कॉम्बो ऑन द वेबसाइट विच इज ऑलरेडी डिस्काउंटेड, मतलब 10,200 या 300 की सारी डाइज हैं, और वो कॉम्बो आपको 9800 का ऑलरेडी मिल रहा है. उसको आप खरीदते हो अगर, तो आपको कोर्स में भी 500 रुपए का सीधा सीधा डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है. उसके अलावा आप 10% का और डिस्काउंट जो वेबसाइट पे चल रहा है वो आप अवेल कर सकते हो. तो आपको डाइज जो पड़ेंगी वो और 980 रुपीज कम हो जाएंगे, उसमें से अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1000 रुपए और कम हो गए, तो 8800 की ही पड़ेंगी आपको सिर्फ. 4800 rupees. Let me check. I will just update that, and I think the video is done for now. And thank you so much for joining me, guys. I'll just update the website and I'll update the Facebook banner also, so you guys can purchase it. Okay, and I'll just update the website. So for now, thank you so much for joining me. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.